Tyler James, and we're going to be doing some bike checks. Got that Cardinal Ambassador frame, semi-vertical dropouts, heat treated, pounds, I love it. United stem polished, United chainwheel polished, Kinklinks bars, United Nathan grips, got stock hub with white and brown Primo spokes. I like it. Duo stunner tires with the tan walls. Plastic E-clat seat, redline seat clamp. Can never go wrong with that. Fit stock cranks. Got a Shadow Rant laced to an Oddesey hazard light. I got the... Where's my chain? Oh, got that KNC cool chain. Snapped on me today, but whatever. Forget that chain. Give you guys a hub sound. Not too bad. I got a G-Sport ratchet. I'm thinking about lacing. Leave a comment, yes or no. Lace the G-Sport. Leave the rant. Well, thanks. That's my bike.
Yeah, this is Josh Pierce doing a bike check. Start from front to back. I have the thick stock grips with OEI Barnes, Demolition PA bars, some Salt stem, McNeil headset, premium death trap frame. Can't go wrong with that. Some giant piece of shit forks. We have some Stalt rim laced to some Stalt assault hub, female. Eastern Curve monkey front tire with Specialized. I have the animal stitch seat, very comfortable, love it. I have the stolen wedge post, really good. I have the Oddesey hazard light back wheel, mechanic halfling chain, and I have the Primo power bike with the baby blue Oddesey twisteds, and of course the tree sprocket. So yeah, even comments at the end.
Well, I have the fiber moon grips, some We the People OD bars, the Verde, no pinch bolts, yeah. Some We the People forks, the Cinema 77 complete wheel, Eastern Curve monkey tires, the Fit AKN 3.5 frame, dent resistance, yeah, have that. Some Eastern cranks, the Shadow Ravager sprocket, yeah. It used to be orange, we paint shipped that shit. The Shadow chain, Oddesey twisted pedals, suck. They're really terrible. Oddesey P-Light tire, the KHE free coaster laced to the Trials rim, yeah, can't go wrong with that, indestructible. The United seat with the animal wedge posts. Well, here, wait, let me give you a hub sound on this one. It's nice and beautiful. Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I know it's pretty loud. It's okay, calm down. Well, yeah, it's my bike. Yeah.